Hello everyone. In today's lecture we will learn what is displacement thickness, momentum thickness, energy thickness, and we will derive the expression to find this displacement, momentum and energy thickness. Using those expressions we can solve the numericals that may come in exam. So first we will see what is displacement thickness. So displacement thickness can be defined as a distance which is measured perpendicular to the boundary of the plate, by which the main of free stream is displaced on account of the formation of the boundary layer. Okay, this is the definition of displacement thickness. So for deriving the expression for the displacement thickness, we will consider a flat plate as shown in the figure. Okay, and a flow of fluid having a free stream velocity, that is u, is flowing over this flat plate. A distance x At a distance x from this leading edge of this plate, consider a section 1 1. Okay, now the velocity of the fluid at B is 0 because this point B is on the surface of the plate and this plate is at rest. Therefore, the velocity of the fluid at the point B is 0, and also at point C, which lies on this boundary layer, it has a velocity which is equal to the free stream velocity, that is u. So this velocity varies from 0 to u. Okay, and this BC is equal to the thickness of the boundary layer, that is delta. We have seen the procedure of the formation of the layer. Okay, so at section 1 1, let rho be the density of fluid, y be the distance of the elemental strip from the plate, dy be the thickness of this elemental plate. We have considered an elemental plate whose y is the distance of the elemental plate from this plate. Okay, and dy is the thickness of this plate. Clear? And small u is the velocity of this elemental stream and b is the width of the plate. These are the assumptions. Now we will see, by assuming this, if we have to write the area of strip. So area of strip will be dA is equal to b into dy. B is the width of the strip and dy is the thickness of the strip. Therefore, the mass of fluid which is flowing through this elemental strip per second can be calculated by using rho into velocity into area. Now we know the rho. We know the velocity of this elemental strip fluid flowing through the elemental strip is small u. We have calculated the area of the strip, that is b into dy. So the expression for the mass of fluid which is flowing through this elemental strip per second can be written as rho u b into dy. Give this expression the equation number 1. Okay, now if there has been no plate, if we assume that there is no plate, then the fluid will be flowing through the velocity of free stream velocity. Okay, so what will be the mass flow per second through this elemental strip if we assume that the plate is absent? Then we can write the expression as rho into capital U. U is the free stream velocity into area. Area will be stream for the elemental strip, that is b into dy. Give this equation number 2. Now as u is more than small u, hence due to the presence of the plate and consequently due to the formation of the boundary layer, there will be reduction in the mass per second. Okay, so How can we write the reduction of the mass flow rate through this elementary strip? By subtracting the equation 2 and 1, means subtracting 1 from 2, that is 2 minus 1 gives reduction of mass flow rate through the elemental stream. So we will get rho b whole bracket capital U minus small u into dy. Now this capital U minus small u is nothing but the velocity of defect. So the total reduction of mass flow rate due to the introduction of the plate through the BC, through the BC is, we will, to find out the total integration, we will integrate this equation with the limits 0 to delta. Delta is the boundary thickness. So we will get equation as 0 to delta rho b whole bracket capital U minus small u into dy. Now here b is constant, so we can get this b out of the integration. Rho b is constant, so we write rho b into 0 to delta integration 0 to delta capital U minus small u into dy. Let this equation be number 3. Now here we have assumed that the fluid is incompressible. Now we will assume that the plate is displaced by a distance delta star. Delta star is nothing but displacement thickness, and the velocity of the flow from this distance delta star is equal to the main or the free stream velocity, that is capital U. Then the loss of the mass of this fluid per second flowing through the distance delta star can be calculated by using rho into velocity into area. Now here we have assumed that the thickness is delta star, so just we will change B, we will change here, area will be changing, so it will be rho into capital U into delta star into B. Here now we will equate the equation number 3 and equation number 4. This fourth equation is for the loss of mass of fluid per second, and third equation also gives reduction of mass of flow per second. So equating this 3 and 4, we will get the expression of the displacement thickness, that is delta star is equal to integration 0 to delta whole bracket 1 minus small u divided by capital U into dy, where u is the velocity of the fluid flowing through the elemental stream and capital U is the velocity of free stream fluid flowing through free stream. Now we will see what is momentum thickness. So momentum thickness may be defined as a distance which is measured perpendicular to the boundary of the solid body, by which the boundary should be displaced to compensate the reduction in the momentum. See, there is only change of this word, that is momentum of the flowing fluid on account of the boundary layer formation. The similar condition is applied to derive the expression for the boundary thickness, displacement thickness. Here for the momentum thickness, it is considered that there is a flat plate. Over this flat plate a fluid is flowing through a free stream velocity of u. Whatever we have assumed the conditions for the displacement thickness, same conditions are assumed for the momentum thickness. See, we have considered a section that is 1, 1. So rho is density of fluid, y is the distance of the elemental strip from the plate, dy is the thickness of the elemental strip, u is the velocity of the fluid at the elemental strip, and b is the width of the plate. Now area will be same, area of the strip will be same. The mass of fluid flowing through the elemental strip per second is given by rho into velocity into area. So we will get the expression as rho u b into dy. So momentum per second of fluid inside the boundary layer will be given as rho into u into b into dy into small u. Okay, this is the expression for the momentum per second. Now if there has been no plate, then fluid will be flowing with the free stream velocity, say u. For that, the momentum of this mass flow per second through the elemental stream, if the plate were not there, then we will get the momentum per second as rho into u into b into dy into capital U. As we know that capital U is more than the small u, hence due to the presence of the plate and consequently due to the formation of the boundary layer, there will be reduction in this momentum per second through the stream. So, here reduction of the momentum flow rate through the elemental stream will be 2 minus 1. So, rho u b dy into capital U minus rho u b dy into small u. So, this will be the expression rho bu into bracket capital U minus small u into dy for the reduction of the momentum flow. Now in this we know that capital U minus small u is nothing but the velocity of defect. Now the total reduction of the momentum flow rate due to the introduction of the plate through the BC can be found out by integrating the equation 3 with the limits 0 to delta. So total reduction of momentum flow rate is given by integration 0 to delta rho bu bracket capital U minus small u into dy. In this, the fluid is incompressible. Now, let the plate is displaced by a distance theta and velocity of the flow for the distance theta is equal to the free stream velocity, that is u. Therefore, the loss of momentum of the fluid per second flowing through the distance theta with the velocity capital U can be found out by mass of fluid through theta into velocity. So we know what is the mass of fluid through theta, that is rho into area into velocity into this velocity. So rho area is what? Theta into b, and velocity is what? U, capital U into velocity capital U. So rho theta b u square is the loss of momentum of the fluid per second. Now equating these equations. Now fourth equation gives us the reduction of momentum flow rate, and also the fifth equation gives us the loss of momentum of the fluid per second. So equating this fourth and fifth equation, we will get the expression for the momentum thickness, that is theta is equal to integration 0 to delta small u by capital U bracket 1 minus small u by capital U into dy. Okay, this is about the momentum thickness. Now we will see the energy thickness, that is denoted by delta double star. Now energy thickness may be defined as it is a distance which is measured perpendicular to the boundary of the solid body by which that boundary should be displaced. Why? To compensate the reduction in the kinetic energy, because we have to find out the energy thickness. So to compensate the reduction in the kinetic energy of the flowing fluid on account of this boundary layer formation. This is the definition about energy thickness. Here we will find the loss of energy per second. The initial procedure will be same. Initial considerations will be same as that for the displacement thickness and momentum thickness. So I will not repeat it again. See here the kinetic, we will find out the kinetic energy per second of this fluid flow inside the boundary layer. So we know the expression of the kinetic energy, that is 1 half mv square, where m is the mass of the fluid, v is the velocity of the fluid flowing through the elemental stream. So 1 half into rho into u into b into dy into u square. Here this rho u b into dy is nothing but the mass of the fluid and u square is nothing but the velocity. 1 half mv square is the expression for the kinetic energy. We know that. Okay, so we have found out the kinetic energy per second of this fluid inside the boundary layer. Now, if there has been no plate, then fluid will be flowing with the free stream velocity. So in that case, what will be the kinetic energy per second? It will be 1 half rho into u into b into dy into capital U square. So what will be the loss of kinetic energy through the stream? 1 half rho u b dy into capital U square minus 1 half rho u b dy into u square. We will subtract this equation with this equation. So we will get the loss of kinetic energy through strips as 1 half rho u b whole bracket capital U square minus small u square into dy. Now the total loss of kinetic energy flow rate due to the introduction of the plate through BC will be 0 to delta integration 0 to delta 1 half rho u b whole bracket capital U square minus small u square into dy. So let this equation be number 1. Now let the plate be displaced by a distance delta star star double star and velocity of flow for the distance delta double star is equal to the free stream velocity, that is u. Then what will be the loss of kinetic energy of fluid per second flowing through this distance, that is delta double star with the velocity capital U? So it will be 1 half mass into velocity square. So 1 half into rho into area into v velocity into velocity square. This is the mass. Now 1 half rho area will be what? B into delta double star into velocity will be what? Free stream velocity, therefore capital U into velocity square, that is u square. So loss of kinetic energy of the fluid per second will be 1 half rho b delta double star into capital U cube. Now we will equate. Now this is the, let this expression be second. Now these two equations are for the loss of kinetic energy, so we will equate these equations with each other and we will get the expression for the kinetic thickness, energy thickness. We will get the expression for the energy thickness, that is delta double star is equal to integration 0 to delta small u divided by capital U whole bracket 1 minus small u square divided by capital U square into dy. Clear? We have seen the three expressions, one for the displacement thickness, second for the momentum thickness and third for the energy thickness. Now on this topic a question may come such that to find the displacement thickness, momentum thickness, energy thickness, and they will give us the velocity distribution in the boundary layer, that is small u by capital U will be given in terms of y by delta, that is the velocity distribution will be given to us and we will find out the displacement thickness, momentum thickness and energy thickness for the boundary layer. Clear about the displacement thickness, momentum thickness and energy thickness? Okay.